Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for uh, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Pick only what resonates. Okay, let's start your reading. Follow nyo din ako sa Facebook, guys, Madam P. Tapos, ang aming TikTok, Unipri, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan, let's start. Anong meron sa ating mga Earth sign? So, meron tayo ditong courage. Well-being and dreams. Bottom of the deck, you do have your truth. Ayan. So, actually, sa nakikita natin dito, you are the lion here. Parang you are the leader. No? Parang hindi mo kailangan may mangamba ngayon. Focus on yourself. Lagi ko sinasabi yun. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Well-being is here. So, yung health mo, yan. Kasi, health is wealth. And you do have your dreams. So, yung iba sa inyo, may mga messages yung mga dreams mo ngayon. Tignan mo yung mga panaginip mo. Maaring may mga messages na binibigay sa'yo. And, there's some kind of glimpse of the future doon sa dreams mo na yon. So, tignan mo rin yun talaga. If you see a lot of positive sign or symbol sa iyong dreams, katulad ng isda, water, pagkain ng sweets is positive sign sa panaginip. So, nagpapakita yun ng prosperity, no? Nagpapakita ng kasaganahan. Anyway, sino yung person na kakonect mo for the sign of Earth sign? You do have your protection, passion, and answer. If wala kayong connection, communication nitong person na to, sooner or later, nakikita natin merong pagsagot. Lalo na kung ikaw yung huling nag-message or nakipag-connect or communicate sa kana. Some kind of answer ang makukuha mo mula dito sa person na to. There's passion here. This person loves you. Ang pakiramdam niya sa'yo, you are his or her home. You know? Parang, alam mo yung home, it's like comfort eh. Komportable siya sa'yo. Sa'yo niya nakikita yung parang masaya siya. Yeah. And you do have here the transformation. There's a butterfly. So, nakakita tayo ng attraction sa'yo nitong person na to. Especially physically, no? Attracted siya sa'yo. Whatever you are doing right now, gusto niya lahat yun eh. Yung itsura mo, how you present yourself to the world, mga pinopost mo sa social media, lalong lumalakas or lalong umiigting o lumalalim ang pagtingin sa iyo ng person na ito dahil doon sa mga nakikita niya na yun. So, tell me about the emotions. Emotion ninyong dalawang ng person na ito sa isa't isa. You do have your empowerment. New beginning and clarity. Willpower, compassion, and animals. Bottom of the deck, you do have your financial health. Empowerment is here. Alam mo, nakakaramdam ako ng spiritual na kalakasan mula sa'yo. There's new beginning. You are focused sa present mo, sa new beginnings kayo ngayon. Maybe new person, new people. Yun na dun yung ano mo yung pagtingin mo ngayon And you do have your clarity. Maybe regarding sa connection ninyo, nagkaroon ka na ng clarity regarding dito and ngayon, nagfo-focus ka na lang sa present and future, no longer about the past. Ang person nito, you do have your willpower. I mean, the word here is compassion, pero ang nagpapakita sa akin word talaga is passion, which is nagpakita na rin siya dito sa main energy ng person. Malalim talaga pagtingin sa'yo nitong taong to. And with the animals here, part of this person is may awa. I don't know kung ano yung last message mo sa kanya or ano huli ninyo na pag-usapan because nakakaramdam tayo dito ng person na wait lang. Patayin ko na lang kasi mainit Kung nakakaramdam tayo dito ng person na parang the last message or maybe the last conversation sa inyong dalawa, nawa siya sa kung ano man yung sitwasyon mo. Yeah, this could be a message if ganun yung naging situation in the past sa inyo. Like yung huling pag-uusap ay nagkaroon ng hindi magandang experience para sa iyo. Ayan, and then siya yung naging sandalan mo. But the problem, ayun nga, naawa siya sa'yo. Anyway, okay lang kahit hindi. Pero nakakaramdam kasi tayo ng awa dito sa person. As much as possible, gusto niya magpakatatag. And what is the near future for the both of you? Near future for the both of you. The near future para sa inyong dalawa. You do have your psychic abilities. Like what I've told you kanina, parang ang lakas ng psychic ability mo, spiritual knowledge mo, or napaka-powerful mo spiritually. You have talents pagdating dito sa bagay na ito. So in the future, yung iba sa inyo, nakikita ko na ginagamit itong mga talents na ito. Maybe you are becoming like me, like a tarot reader, or maybe you're helping someone. Kung hindi man spiritual na bagay, I can see you na ginagamit mo yung mga abilidad mo to help other people as well. Well, yun naman talaga ang main purpose kung bakit may mga ganitong talents or skills na ibinibigay. This is a gift and of course, yung kailangan natin gawin is to share the gift that we have. And ito nakita natin, yung iba sa inyo is sharing the gift na ibinigay sa inyo. Pero yung iba naman, I just see you na you do have here talent and there's a possibility of you na pagpapakita ng talent mo. Kung hindi man talent spiritual, it could be talent na meron ka talaga in the future. So, yung iba, if you are magaling na kumanta, magaling magluto, magaling magsayaw, whatever your talent is, or yung iba may angking kang talino about sa particular na bagay, I can see you na showcase mo yun, pinapakita mo yun sa mundo, and yeah, that is what I can see in your near future. You're showing itong mga talents na meron ka. Pagdating sa person na nakakonect mo, you do have your closure and trust. Well, if you're dealing with your soulmate, All you have to do is focus on yourself, trust the divine timing. Ganun lang yun. Yung iba sa inyo na hindi soulmate yung kakonect, I can see closure. This past person is like, nandun na talaga siya sa past. And for those of you, I can see reconciliation for the both of you. Para dun sa may mga soulmate connection, twin flame connection. Just trust the divine timing. Focus on your talents, focus on your skills, focus on yourself. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.